Let's unbox this Apple AirPods 3. Apple AirPods Pro 3, I should specify. I have two other AirPods, super old. I don't know what happened, but they were on their last leg. I don't know if it was waterproof or not, but I just know some water got in it and it was time to upgrade. So I got these. Noise cancellation is crazy. Maybe too good, but also the tips on there are the medium size. They fit well. I didn't need to like switch out the different tips. It comes with like 4 other sets. And it gives me a reason to keep the packaging. I was going to keep it anyways, probably. I don't know. But I don't know where else to store them. And this is going to be the place, it lives until there's a reason for me to switch the tips. But surprisingly, the tips fit very comfortably. They don't slide out. I was playing around with the lights. So yeah, there's nothing else to show other than my colorful lights. But also, if you want more content like this, just basic unboxing of products, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will talk to you guys later.